Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Poppy Willow Company. This is a company that I PR for. You can find the link below. She does beautiful work. Her stickers are foiled and they are just always gorgeous. Oh, I'm excited. This one's called Pretty Pumpkins, I can see on the top. Oh. So if you go to poppywillowco.com, you can find her stickers. And this is a freebie. Look how pretty that is. And then these are the numbers that go with this kit. So it's called Pretty Pumpkins. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. It has washi and headers and checklists and half boxes and quarter boxes. And the days of the week are always so pretty. And that's what these dates are for. You can put them right on the pumpkin. Oh my goodness. And I like these too because some you can put this way or you can put them this way. It's nice. Doesn't matter which direction you put them. All of the headers. And when she makes a kit, man, it is a full kit. Weekends, look at that, so pretty. Check boxes, this is still one kit. Okay, so now here's another one. Oh my word. This one is called Spooky. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, this one might be my favorite. Whoo, it is spooky though. Look how cool that is. Oh. It's like rose gold, or yeah, I think it's rose gold foiling. It's just beautiful. Oh, I love them, love them, love them. So those are the two kits that I got in this package, and I can't wait to use them. I almost forget which ones go with which. Can't do that, can I? But there we go. So thanks for watching, guys, and please check out her store and let her know that I sent you by clicking or by putting TT.Scraps 15 in the in the notes or promo code of poppywillowco.com, and not only will you save 15%, you will also get a free sheet that was made just for me. And it's all foiled and it's beautiful. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.